If you're thinking about downloading the EveryDollar app for managing your personal finances, there are a few things you need to know first before you dive in. While it might seem like a great choice, especially when compared to competitors like Mint or YNAB, it's important to understand what you're getting into. The first thing you'll notice is its simplicity. EveryDollar is designed to make budgeting easy for anyone, whether you're a beginner or have some experience. Unlike Mint, which offers a broader range of financial services, EveryDollar is laser focused on helping you create and stick to a budget. But this simplicity also means it doesn't have as many features as Mint or YNAB, which might leave you wanting more if you're used to detailed expense tracking or investment management. Next thing, the app's user interface is clean and easy to navigate. It's perfect for anyone who wants to quickly see where their money is going each month. Unlike YNAB, which can feel a bit more complex with its zero-based budgeting approach, EveryDollar provides a straightforward way to assign categories to your spending. However, it lacks some of the deeper customization options you might find in other apps, so if you need something more tailored, this could be a deal breaker. The third thing you should know is its free version. You can start budgeting without paying a dime, but there's a catch. The free version doesn't include bank syncing. This means you'll have to manually enter transactions, which can be time-consuming, especially compared to apps like Mint, which automatically syncs with your bank accounts. However, if you're someone who likes being hands-on with your finances, this could be an advantage. The fourth thing, the premium version, EveryDollar Plus, costs $129.99 per year. For this price, you get bank syncing and additional features like priority support. While this may be appealing to those who want a smoother experience, it's a bit pricier compared to other apps like Mint, which offers similar features for free. It's worth considering whether the price is justified based on your personal budgeting needs. Next thing, EveryDollar integrates well with Dave Ramsey's financial teachings. If you're a fan of his approach, you'll appreciate how seamlessly it fits with his budgeting methods. However, if you're not already a fan of Ramsey's advice, or if you prefer more flexibility, you might feel limited by the app's strict adherence to his principles. Other apps, like YNAB, give you more control over how you allocate your money without a specific philosophy attached. The sixth thing you should know is that EveryDollar offers robust goal-setting features. Whether you're saving for a vacation or paying off debt, the app lets you set goals and track your progress. However, it doesn't go as deep as YNAB's goal setting, which offers more customization. So, if you want more advanced options for goal management, you might want to look elsewhere. Moving on to the seventh thing, the reporting features are fairly basic. You'll get a simple overview of your spending and income, but it lacks the depth of Mint's detailed reports. If you're someone who loves to analyze your financial trends over time, you may find EveryDollar's reporting capabilities a bit lacking. Next up, if you're looking for investment tracking, EveryDollar won't be much help. Unlike Mint, which tracks your investments, EveryDollar focuses solely on your budget. If investment tracking is a must-have for you, this could be a deal breaker. The ninth thing is its mobile app. It's available for both iOS and Android, and it's responsive and fast. However, the Android version doesn't quite match the iOS app in terms of design and functionality. So if you're on an Android device, you might find the app less polished than its iOS counterpart. The 10th thing, customer support is decent, but not outstanding. If you run into issues, you'll have access to FAQs and email support, but phone support is lacking. Apps like YNAB tend to have better customer service overall, especially if you're someone who needs quick resolutions to your problems. The 11th thing is the community. While it's great for anyone following Dave Ramsey's advice, EveryDollar doesn't have a large online community like Mint or YNAB. So, if you're looking for a support network where you can ask questions and share tips, you might not find it here. Finally, EveryDollar can be a good choice if you're new to budgeting and want something simple to use. But if you're looking for more features, deeper customization, or an app that offers a broader range of financial services, you might want to consider other options. If you want a better alternative, we've got a recommendation for you that offers a free trial, so you can try it out with no strings attached.